Hello and welcome back to my NPR channel. In today's video I'll be talking about Britain's mines. Now, I was so disgusted when I heard Boris thanking this person for closing all Britain's mines. Now, apparently one mine is, well, I say we need to open Britain's mines back up, coal mines back up. I think it's a ridiculous idea. Look at China, look at Germany, look at some people in Europe and in America. They're building tons of coal power stations. Tons of it. They're producing coal. And look at us, in the middle of it all, and Australia as well. Look at us, in the middle. Look at us UK people. We're not allowed to do that. This is stupid Green Party. You might think, I know I said stupid, but I think I think it's stupid. But I disagree with it as well. So that's my own opinion, by the way. I just want to make that clear. So yeah. It's like the Iron Bridge power station. I think that should have never been demolished. That should have been restored back to the coal power station. Someone already bought the land and tried to the land for building houses. Now that idea has been scrapped. So why can't we turn it back in the coal power station? If I was there, I would like to, if I was a or someone or anything like that, I don't know. I would like to get someone to build the 4 cooling towers back up, brick by brick. But unfortunately that might not be able to happen because it's been blown up. But, however, if you can find old bricks, you can build it back up. It was ridiculous when I saw that blown up. I thought, how could you? I will not be visiting Iron Bridge ever again until those cooling towers are back up. Although, that might happen anyway, but I don't know. Can't guarantee it anyway. That was the best power station, and it was quick to get everyone back online. So, if there's a chance that can be rebuilt in that area, that'd be great. And other coal power stations should be built. Yes, but I'm still for solar power as well, because I think that's great as well. But coal power stations will be good as well. And opening coal mines up as well, transporting coal to our coal, transporting the coal that we mine to our coal power stations. That's a good, yes. Oh, and I got one, and I got a couple of words for both. Again, both, get a grip on yourself and scrap the Green Party. Because we don't need it. It's costing trillions of pounds. It'll cost trillions of pounds and it'll cost jobs. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.